Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this tutorial and welcome back again to Know Max TV. So as you can see now, they have sent me a message that I have been accepted to earn USD 100 plus per week by reviewing books. So this is one of the reviewing books platform that I have shown you. You can be able to use to make money by reading books and reviewing books. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can be going through this process and be able to apply and start getting paid by reviewing books. So as I have shown you in the recent video, I have shown you different platforms that you can join, that you can sign up and be able to make money by reading books and be able to make money by reviewing books. It can take some time, it depends on the platform you have already signed up with. So recently I have signed up on this platform among the platforms I have shown you, and I'm going to be showing you now after getting this email also for acceptance, what do you have to do next and what can you be able to do next. As you can see, they sent me, you told us you wanted to join our review team so you can work on our review team and get paid. I think you can see it here, so I'm sure that you can be seeing it here. So now it is completely free to you. According to the database, you still need to create username and password. Please to know that. So now what I need to do, I need to be clicking on this link they shown you in my email. What you need to do, you need to be also choosing the password that you need to be using to your account. After doing that, you have also to choose the device you'll be using to review, either a laptop or another thing. Once you are done, you need to submit it. Also after this, they're going to be showing you another step. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. They're saying, oh, you are already sign up, congratulations. One thing to keep in mind about the only book club is that the review team is just one of the many cool free. You can see now also this onlinebookclub.org. If you want to be signing up today and you want to get started earning money with this platform, you can also be joining this as well and be able to start reviewing books and be able to make money as well. So as you can see, if you click on this link at the first time, you need to be creating a password. Once you create a password, you have also to go to the step where you have to select the device that you'll be using to be able to make money. Then after that, you need to be reading also to verify the phone number. They will give you an option to verify the phone number. Then also you can either verify the phone number via SMS. They sent you a text SMS for code for verification. You can also be able to use WhatsApp. They sent you an SMS via WhatsApp and be able to verify it. So as you can see now, you have to read the guidelines, what is required and how do you get started. You can see here are the important requirements you have to follow. You'll be asked if the book has any sexual content. Now you have to be proceeding through all these requirements and also be able to understand what will you do and how will you be proceeding through this your review program and your review process, and also how you'll be getting paid. So as you can see, there's the guidelines you have reading, and also you can see here is the team, a review team, and you have to be mindful about this. You can see reviews must be honest. Now this is what they're telling you. Reviews must be written the correct spelling. Your review must be at least 300 words. Your review must not include any spoilers at all. In your written review must include your rating of the book and scale. You must sufficiently explain your rating. For instance, now you need to explain your rating now. So you must list the negatives about the books if you have found any. If you notice 10 or more typos, errors in your review of each other, otherwise it seems to be a book. Now you need to be selecting it and also be able to write it. If you don't notice even a single typo, now here's what you can do. Don't mention total page count for the book. Also don't specify the author's gender. Please consider the above two guidelines. So as you can see, after you submit a review, it will not be publicly visible because they have to review it. The review will first need to be approved by the editors and the moderators to understand or to be able to approve either it can be going public or not. After this, what I need to do, you need to be coming here to select. If you come to select option, that is where you can be getting books that you can start getting reviewing. From here you can see I'm getting a lot of books for free, and also you can be able to see some books are saying it's free, other books are saying no payments. For instance, if I select other fictions, let me see non-fiction book. Okay, so you can see no payment, no payments, no payments. But you are wondering why am I seeing no payments here on these books I'm always getting on my dashboard. So what you need to do, you can see I'm logged into my account. That is the reason why I'm seeing books and I'm always seeing these details. Also, what you need to do is to apply first to be able to get to these details and to be able to see the books you can be able to review. As you can see, they are saying limit score. Because you are still level 0, I'm still at 0 now. I'm a level of 0, so which means I don't have score. You will not be able to see the newest review opportunities. So there are now no opportunities. That means I need to review these free books because I'm starting to increase my review scores. Reviews with the high level will get fast tips to prevent you from getting stuck at level 0 and never able to review a book. Your wait time for free book on reviews is reduced by review score. If you are not seeing many opportunities, please work a bit on increasing your review score. Here is review score. You can be reading throughout this and see what does it require you to do. Also, if you come to review score, the scoring formula was last updated on this time, so your score has not been calculated in the last weeks. Click the button below, so they will be also able to calculate your score as 0 out of 10 points. Eligible post count on the forums. You can see post count on the forums are given per eligible posts. So out of 10 points, shelf size on bookshelves, 0 out of 10. Now you can be able to see the scores here. You can be getting scored out of 100. Now, as far as you are increasing the review scores, you can be able to get various opportunities that will be able to pay you to be able to do books. First, I can be early check-in. Again, if I check, I'm not going to get something because this is my first time, and this is when I'm still creating an account. I don't have any review scores that I can be joining through. So now if I continue and proceed to this next step, I can see here, as you can see, I can be able to see the book. For instance, if this is the free book only, I can be able to select it. So once I select it, you can be able to see that I want to be seeing a brief overview of about the books. Page count 640 250 words per page. Now I'm gonna be click on this option, review these books. Once I click on this option, review these books, I can get started now to review these books. So what I need to do, I need to click here on review these books. You can see view review opportunities, important tips, submit format, accept. Now accept opportunities, submit format. Here is now what you need to do to make sure you have carefully the full description and book details, structure, selective format you need, so you can be able to see this one. After this, you can cancel it and go back to full list of review requests which are identified there, and you proceed. So now what if you want to be going there, and if you want to be joining this platform to start making money by reading or reviewing books, you can be able to tap on sign up or onlinebooklab.org and be able to sign up or create your account. Then you need to wait sometimes, then they will be responding to your sign up or your application. Once they accept, you can get started and start reviewing books, reading books, and make money as well. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe to Know Max TV. If you have any questions or suggestions, remember to leave it in the comment section.